In Jammu and Kashmir, separatists are at it again. This time, JKLF Chief Yasin Malik has sought the help of dreaded terror commander Syed Salahuddin to investigate the recent killings in Sopore. Malik asked the United Jihad Council and the Hizbul Mujahideen chief to form a committee to probe the killings. Yasin Malik's shocker has triggered sharp reactions from the ruling BJP-PDP government, with both parties slamming the JKLF chief.
I cannot suggest government, but I will definitely suggest to the head of the, क्योंकि उन्होंने भी बयान दिया है सैयद सलाहुद्दीन साहब ने, without wasting time, उनको एक कमेटी बनानी चाहिए to investigate.
Shocker from Yasin Malik. The JKLF chief sending an SOS to dreaded terror commander Syed Salahuddin. Open treachery by Yasin Malik, asks POK-based United Jihad Council and Hizbul Mujahideen chief Syed Salahuddin to form a panel to probe the recent terror attacks in Sopore. Already under fire for being soft on separatists, the PDP-BJP government was quick to react, stating that separatists and terrorists had no role to investigate the Sopore killings.
They have no right to probe it, they have no locus standi. Yasin Malik cannot say it even. So it's a self-styled statement made by a for a self-styled probe.
The police, the government has to investigate, not the militant group. Neither the separatists have the right, neither the militants have the right to investigate.
But the opposition lashed out at the state government and accused it of emboldening the anti-national elements.
It seems that there is a grand conspiracy by the BJP-PDP government in Jammu and Kashmir to hand over the state to Hurriyat.
They have got encouraged because of the space that has been provided to them by the present government.
But this is not the first time that Yasin Malik has flirted with India's biggest enemies. The former terrorist had shared stage with 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed in Pakistan in 2013. In 2005 too, during his visit to Pakistan, Yasin Malik had met Lashkar chief Hafiz Saeed. Despite facing 23 criminal and terror-related cases, including the murder of 4 IF officers, the question is, how long will the present BJP-PDP government ignore the seditious activities of separatists in the valley? Bureau Report, India Today.